Hello, this is Wicked Shrapnel, and I'm here at the Eastwood Mall. This is the mall in Niles, Ohio. It's been here before I was born. It's pretty big. I think the Southern Park Mall that we looked at might be a little bit bigger. But as I told you guys, this one has an aquarium. So, I could walk through here without. Alright, so we're going to walk into the food court. And I am going to get some food. And right here used to be an arcade. Here we have food court. We got Charlie's Philly Steaks. I think that's what I'm gonna try. The WYTV sponsored food court, local news channel. I'll come back there. Asian chow. Here's a. Oh, and I told you they had a aquarium here. See that? Told you they had an aquarium. I'm just kidding. It's not the aquarium I was talking about. We're secret. Usually they have Santa here. Santa is here. Oh my God, Santa, I know him. I know him. I've actually gone here and got my picture taken with Santa. Alright, we will go down there, but first I'll show you the real aquarium. Is right over here. That. Clownfish. The food and drink. They got some sharks in here. Something on the floor. Pretty cool. You can hear the kids are enjoying it. And I did get a fresh cut today. Just came from Cost Cutters. Got a haircut, a beard trim. Alright. Let's explore. Never heard of Bosco's. Bath and Body Works is always a popular spot. I guess Bosco's just another, like Dillard's, JCPenney's, stuff like that. Bunch of Ohio State stuff. Go Bucks. Oh man, we should have caught the train. Should have caught the train. Spencer's was always one of my favorite stores as a kid. See who this guy is. Video surveillance, William Cafaro. That's who built this place. Thanks to William Cafaro for the mall. And we got Target, Ryers, Old Navy, and JCPenney this way. Used to be a Starbucks here. Looks like it's gone. This train takes a lot of room. Oh, instead of Starbucks, they have Kahala. I am faster than a train, faster than a locomotive. Hot Topic. JD Sports. Have to get around the casual mall walkers. I'm a fast walker. Colorado.
Hey, did you just pass that JD Sports? Is that where that yellow is?
Target. See, I beat the train. Now I'm going to hit it head on.
fighting me.
Getting a workout. And there used to be a lot of mall walkers who just come here in the day and do laps. I don't know if that's still a thing, but I'm doing it. Residence Inn, a Marriott. It's like a hotel down there. Dillard's. I don't think there's really anything down there. Just the way out. You got a music store. I don't remember this place being here. Very nice, very nice. It's called Hubbard Music. Alright. Alright, so that is the complete tour of the Eastwood Mall. Now I'm going to go to the food court, get me a Philly steak for me and my mama, and I'll wrap it up outside. So there you have it, Eastwood Mall. I spent a lot of time there as a youth. Wasn't too many things to do in this area except go to the mall. It was very much like the movie Mallrats. Everyone hung out at the mall. But that's all I got. So thanks for going with me, and thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.